This is Jorge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Many of you are familiar with silicone sealant, which are generally used for filling and also sealing. But what about insulating and also soundproofing gaps of various construction materials? I think you might have to consider this Pentens PU-130H Polyurethane Insulation Foam Spray, suitable to use for sealing perimeter joints around door frames and also window frames. Fill up the gaps between wire and piping through walls, and not forgetting mounting, filling and soundproofing in concrete, plaster, bricks, wood and metal. Of course, nothing is more interesting than trying out this product by ourselves. This is a sample mock-up unit for a door frame, which we have sealed all the sides using acrylic sheets. I'm gonna drill a hole here to allow the insulation foam to flow in. Attach the nozzle, shake it well, and we are ready for some serious action. 1, 2, go! Pentens PU-130H uses ozone-friendly propellant, free from CFC, good expansion yield, and good thermal and acoustic insulation. Can you hear the difference? One of the biggest concerns when using this type of foam spray is definitely about, can we use it for the second, third, or multiple times? Look at the straw, clogged with the PU foam. Let us try to fix it. It's not easy as we try to unclog it. And what about the nozzle? Now, let us give it a try. Yup, it's working. Whew. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming DIY and home improvement videos. Bye bye!